G'day all. So I've come out to a abandoned sawmill just out of Gore here. There's been plenty of pigeons here. I've shot plenty out of here. But yeah, thought I'd bring you all along today for a bit of a look-see, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Got the old trusty 410 there. So yeah, should be fun. So this site I used to work on 2009. We were made redundant from the job, and since then she's sort of been left to rot away, I guess. But yeah, plenty of pigeons here though. Might have one here. Well, there's one down. Look at the buggers. Oh, they're everywhere. I love this wee 410. She's a pretty cool wee gun. Yeah, shit. Well, we only just winged this one, so I'll sort that one out and get back into it. Shame really. It was such a cool place to work. But anyway. Few here, maybe we might get one of these. Oh, a wee bit high. This one might do it though. Nope. Yeah. Helps if you load the gun. Oh, don't know if you've seen that, but that's another one down anyway. Not sure about the other one. Buggers are still flying out though. Oh, carry on. Yeah, we're not going to shoot them in here. yeah, this wind's definitely going to work in our favour. Just got to get used to this whole thing though. Also got to be very careful that none of these hit the road or anything that shouldn't be hit. But we're doing it right. Ah. This gun's just not quite cycling very well. If I had had my bloody 12 gauge here, I would have got half those. Yeah, well, carry on. Oh, we didn't like that one. Pigeons are just everywhere here. We're doing alright though. Normally this place here, we're not allowed to use the likes of shotguns. It's normally air rifles, but it's just taken over new management now, and they really just want these bloody things sorted. So, yeah, you just like go for it, which makes me good, makes me happy. So yeah, well, they just keep coming back. They're bloody stupid. I'm not good with shooting that way. The main road right there. So we'll just carry on, I think. So that shed there, that one, and Pete's Dragons. The Dragon was on the back of the truck in that one, and it crashed through the back wall there, but obviously it didn't happen. But yeah, this place brings back a lot of memories for me. Spent a few years here working and doing pest control, so it's kind of nice to just go for a wee stroll and pop pigeons. There is a boiler shed over the side here that's normally holds a lot of pigeons in it. The first time we ever shot here, we shot 106 out of that one shed, so hopefully get a few out of it. We'll go for a look in here. So I've just come into the shed here. I didn't realise that was not videoing a little. So I've shot, I don't know, 6, 7 maybe out of here just now in about a minute, maybe a bit longer. Oh, there's about 30 in here. Hopefully I've got some of the footage before now. Fucking hot in here. Jesus. These old air rifles are pretty bloody good. They'll just go through a pigeon and not through tin. Need to calm down a wee bit. Starting to miss a few shots that I shouldn't be missing. I'll snake up a bit more. There's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sort your shit out, Shay, come on. slowly starting to get into the swing of things. Oh. Yeah, like I said, this may seem a bit cruel, but I think in a couple of months of shooting out here, we've shot close to 1,000 maybe. You give it a couple of weeks and these will be fucking back to the way it was before. This is the kind of shoot where I need somebody else, or even a young buck, like just to show them the way, sort of thing. Normally I have a mate or my old man here. Yeah, like that for a rough bugger. Yeah, so we had 6 before we went in there, and I've counted 23 on the ground. Bloody warm though. Oh, we've got 2 here. I might try and pop them, but yeah, I'm having fun. Yeah, back into it. So I'm not 100% sure if I've got awesome footage here. Halfway through the shoot and there I found out that I must have had it on photos. So God only knows how many photos I've taken. But we're doing alright. We're 32 pigeons down on the ground. Just everywhere you look there's a buggers there. This shed in front here's normally got a few in it. I swear the old 14 is going to come in handy, as long as it doesn't jam. Three there, cheeky bastards. Oh, here we go. Huh. Nothing on here. The people that own this place have started cleaning it out. Well, I think there might be new owners or something, I'm not sure. So it has been roughed up a wee bit. But yeah, we're still getting some out of it. So that shed up the top there, that's my uncle's shed. There's normally a shit ton in there. I want to save that one till last though. I want them as they're coming in, peeling with the old 410. Sorry if there's quite a lot of talking in this one, but I'm excited, I'm happy. After this lockdown shit, it's nice to be out and doing what I love doing and helping people out. That's the main reason. A lot of these pigeons, they go to the next door neighbours' farms, shittle over their tractors and stuff, so any I take out here is going to help them too. We may need the air rifle for this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we do. We've shot 40 pigeons. Not bad going. Come on. Oh, terrible shot that one. Took feathers off him, but that was about it. This one's like bloody Arnold Schwarzenegger. That'll do. He'll fall out soon. And there's another sneaky little bugger.